Hi guys. I was just thinking about our morning lesson today, and I realized that I may have confused some of you with the unit price thing. I think the way I taught it was also confusing. I don't know what happened, but this is a video to just clarify something about the unit price. I'm going to do this on my doc cam with a couple of examples. If the morning lesson made sense to you, you can completely ignore this. But this lesson, I'm going to talk about how we typically think about unit price. Okay, so when we go to a grocery store, what do we do? How do we do this? I'm going to do this with an example. Um, Here we go. I'm going to close my face so you can see the whole doc cam thing. So one of the examples that we did was I said, is 5 pounds of apple for $2.49 a better deal than 3 pounds of apple for $1.89. So this was one of the problems we worked out today. And I was thinking, I told you guys to like have the dollar in the denominator, but we don't think like that when we go. We think, okay, how much am I paying for 1 pound? So we always keep the dollar in the numerator, and that's where I messed up. Okay. So this is like a more intuitive way of thinking about the problem. What I taught you was not that intuitive. So forgive me, I apologize. Look at this if it helps you. Okay. So if I figure out how much 1 pound costs, that tells me which is the cheaper deal. So if I want to have it that way, then I put the dollar in the numerator, 2.49 divided by 5 pounds, and I'm writing the units to show you what we end up getting. So if I do this, and I'm going to use my calculator to show you, 2.49 divided by 5 gives me about 50 cents. So it's 0.498, which is about 50 cents per pound. The other one, 89 divided by 3 pounds equals, and if I do this, 1.89 divided by 3 gives me 63 cents a pound. Okay, so you can see already this is costing less per pound. So this is the better deal. I'm going to do one more example and then I'll stop. Okay. All right, here's my second example. I think this was the pasta one that we did. Maybe that's what I will do. Um, yeah, the pasta one. One of the stores had 7 boxes for $6. The other store had 6 boxes for $5. So if we find the cost per box, whichever one is the cheaper one is the better deal. Okay, so let me do this. So $6 for 7 boxes. If I do 6 divided by 7, it gives me 0.857 per box. That's the cost per box. If I, for the second one, if I do $5 for 6 boxes, if I do 5 divided by 6, it's 0.83 per box. So you could already see that this one is cheaper than this. So this is the better deal. Okay, I'll write the box here so you know what the denominator is. Okay, all right. So that's it, guys. So see if this makes better sense for you and use that. I'm going to stop the recording now and